Hello, this is Mason Gordon with Bravura, and today I'm going to be demoing a new automation that I just completed for a real estate client. This one is an AI email organizer for Gmail or really for any email inbox you have. Now, I'm going to show you a little bit about how this automation works before I actually execute the workflow and show you it in action. So this might look very complicated, but it is in fact very simple, so I'm just going to simplify it down and show you kind of how it works. So first you have to have the trigger that starts the automation. This one is a schedule trigger, so it goes off every 15 minutes, every hour. It just really depends on how much traffic you have coming into your inbox and how often you want it to be sorting and organizing the new emails every 15 minutes, every 30 minutes, every hour, etc. So that's the first step. And then what you do is you have a Google Sheet here, and this Google Sheet is essentially the rules for this automation. So I'm using my spam email, the email I use for my company to sign us up for all the services we use. So it's a lot of low priority, cold emails, spam, but there is some billing, emails from real people like our clients that come through here. So this is the rules that we are going to be using for the sake of this demo. But for your specific business, this is where we would give the rules. So however you want your email organization to be set up, these are the labels that will be created in your Gmail. So this is highly customizable to however you want it to be. But for mine, these are the values I'm going to be using. So then it'll get those labels and then collect all of your messages from your Gmail. This is a Gmail I have hooked up to it. As you can see, it's just a whole bunch of random stuff in there that doesn't really matter. But for more important email inboxes, it does matter. So there's going to be more high priority and things like that. So as you can see though, there's no labels in my Gmail currently right now, but there will be in a second. So it gets that, and then it goes to your AI agent, and the AI agent is what is going to be using those categories to sort all of your emails. Then the AI agent goes through them and uses its logic, and then it just creates the labels for your Gmail, and then boom, your Gmail is fully automated. So I'm going to go ahead and let it run, and it takes a second, so just bear with me here, and then I'll show you the end result. So as you can see, the automation is started, and right now it is currently sorting through all of my messages in my Gmail. So this one takes a second, so we're just going to go ahead and wait. There it goes. So now it's loaded all of my emails, and as you can see, it's only 380 items in there. We like to keep things pretty consolidated in this email, not sign up for too much. So now it's going to sort and use its logic to make sure that all of these emails are going to be put properly into the correct label. So I'll zoom in a little bit here. As I said, I only have a limit of 20, actually right here, limit of 20. So it's only going to go up to 20 here, but it can do a lot more at a time. For the sake of this demo, I'm just going to let it ride at 20. So you're about to see it's about to hit 20, and then it goes through here and creates all of your labels and goes through each email using the AI agent's logic to label them. Almost done, it's at 15, 18, 19, 20. And as you can see, it's doing its final touches, workflow executed successfully. Now go over to my Gmail and refresh. And would you look at that? All the labels are here, and each one has, billing in there, Google Workspace, high priorities, Loom, all the good stuff. And then you can also go in and add label colors and make it as pretty as you want. So yeah, that's the demo for the AI agent. Thank you.